ladies and gentlemen. I've been told at the outside that I have 5 minutes, so I'll be very brief. I think my previous speakers have mentioned most of the things in general. After hearing Mr. Venkat Raman's speech on the statistics countrywide, I'm sorely tempted, and I'll give in to this temptation to quote some statistics for SBI alone. We have 63,000 BCs in the country. We have reached 80,000 unbanked villages, either through these BCs or through our own bank branches. I mean, this is a mind-boggling number. I'm sharing this with you. Total BC channel transactions in the first 9 months of this financial year, that is 1st April to 31st December of SBI, 9 crore 43 lakh number of transactions, 27,000 crores of rupees moved through the BC channels. So you see how, when I think it started many years back, the BC channel, but how slowly people have started becoming familiar in the villages and they've started to use it. And as our previous speakers have said, that the great impetus that has been given through the Prime Minister Jan Dhan Yojana, you'll be happy to hear that we have opened 2 crore 50 lakh accounts of the total that have been opened in the country since then. And, concomitantly, we issued 2.21 crores RuPay cards. Currently, what we are really working very hard on is to scale up the Aadhaar seeding in these accounts, to get our customers we have acquired through these channels to start using their RuPay cards, get the ATM, the RuPay pins to them, so that these bank accounts actually do see some meaningful number and amounts of transactions going through them. In the bank, we look at outreach in 2 different ways. There are challenges which are facing the bank. One is the reaching out to the tech-savvy digital young customers who are coming up in the metro and urban areas. They don't want to come to bank branches. So we are, on the one hand, we are dealing with customers like that. For that, we are, I hope some of you are aware, we have launched 7 InTouch branches across the country about 6 months back. And they have the most cutting-edge self-service technology, I think, first time ever seen in the country. I'd invite you to visit our InTouch branch in Kurla Mall, Phoenix. It is really par excellence the kind of self-service you can do, the kind of remote advisory you can get over there, and how quick you can complete your transaction in these branches. We have started tap banking so that we go to the customer's doorstep and acquire customers at his ease and convenience. At the other hand, we have this challenge of the unbanked masses in the country, which is also reaching out in a different way. We are fully committed to this, as some of these numbers suggest, but other than that, in spirit also, we are fully committed to this. Just to touch very briefly on what we are doing to actually get people to use these channels, both in the cities and in the villages. We have 196 financial literacy centers across the country, where at any point of time, it is always manned. There are people there, and they do run training programs for the less literate financially customers in semi-urban and rural areas. You'll also be happy to hear that about in the month of November, and Deputy Governor Dr. Khan actually launched it for us in December. We have launched 385 tech learning centers across the country. These are across the length and the breadth of the country in semi-urban, rural, and metro and urban areas, where we give tech training, so to say, to customers who can walk in. They are free to walk in. It's fixed time, 3rd Friday of every month between 4 to 6 p.m. We have trainers there, and we provide tech training to our customers. As has been mentioned by many of our previous speakers, it is important to use these channels safely and securely. So we educate our customers about the necessity for, safekeeping of pins, safekeeping of passwords, not to share with others, how you should hide the keypad when you're using, punching in your pin in the ATM. So this is the other initiative that we have started, and it is, in fact, we've got great response in that. Every month since we've launched, we have had about 10 to 12,000 customers physically walking into these tech learning centers. So in the last 3 months, we have contacted close to 30,000 customers and given them training programs on how to use these technology channels. We are also, of course, running the rural RSETIs, as you call it, for self-employment, training of youth for self-employment in the villages. And there also we have had great success. We also try and ensure that they do get into some mode of self-employment after they finish the training in these RSETIs. As I said, our bank is fully committed to make this a success. Going forward, like I said, our endeavor will be to not only open more accounts, but to get people to start transacting into these accounts, get the DBT, DBTL payments in once the Aadhaar seeding is done. And we are fully ready and have a process set up how we will actually give that overdraft once it starts happening, and also offer the small insurance to these customers. Thank you very much for inviting me here. It was a pleasure. Thank you.